Today we talk that which country is most paying in the world. So we discuss which is the factor behind this. There are most factor this type that which countries are paying more and which countries are paying less so our today's topic is which country is paying more to others or all around the world. So the answer is Luxembourg is paying more in the world. There are many factors behind this. So Luxembourg is the most richest and wealthiest country because at their democracy and infrastructure both things are there. They are working together mutually at one point. So people they are very happy and they don't have any circumstances that they don't have need any tension about their interests. So because of this and so many other factors implied on this, and that kind of the country is Luxembourg. So our main topic is what is behind this, that why are they paying more than all other countries. So we will discuss in shortly. First I tell you a short story about Luxembourg. Luxembourg is very beautiful country and their infrastructure is very strong. Their politicians are very good and they are okay with their country. Means they are protest against criminality, against bad characters. They love their country most than any others. So if the country's politicians are good, automatically their people's life is good. So come to the point that why Luxembourg pay more than any country of the world. This is our main topic to discuss. So first thing is this: their infrastructure, their wealth and infrastructure are more important. More factors are also available, but these two factors more matters, that they are paying more money to relate other countries. So infrastructure and technology with democracy. And fourth thing is good politician. These things matters. If these four things are available in the country, then their people will get more, their interests or money are paying. So these things matters everywhere around the world. So equally every country in the world need to become like Luxembourg because they are paying more than any other country in the world. People or countries should take lesson from Luxembourg story why they are paying more, because you can see everything is in Luxembourg is available any other countries. So this is matter that we and other countries should learn from them, that how to pay good to their country's people like Luxembourg. So I tell you before that four things matter: democracy is good, politicians is good, infrastructure is good, and everything is good. Then you will pay more than others. So this is the main reason Luxembourg is paying more than any country of the world. So this topic is today clear, and we will meet next day with another incredible videos. That is it.